Yo, what's up? Alright, so we just checked out from the hotel, and then before we had a breakfast in the hotel actually.
And now we are heading to
Canggu.
We're gonna stay in one hotel in Canggu
With the rooftop pool.
with the rooftop pool by the beach, so I hope so you will enjoy it. And today is New Year, so Happy New Year for everyone.
Happy New Year! We wish that 2021 will bring us, you, us, everyone all over the world a much better, prosperous year. Yeah. So we wish that very best to all of you guys. Now we are stuck in the traffic going to Canggu.
And see you there in Canggu.
Yeah.
So we just arrived to the Aston Canggu. This is 4-star hotel, nice Christmas tree. We're waiting for the room because it's still before 11, but everything is nice. The bad thing is that I got the flat on my car tire. I will show you. So bad. Alright, so we arrived to the Aston Canggu, waiting for our room. It's quite busy actually. Over here. And the bad thing is I got the flat tire just when we arrived to the parking area.
Yeah, so we will just wait for one of my friend. He will take the car to the bank,
to the mechanic. So it's okay, no problem. Waiting for the room. I hope so. We're gonna get some nice room, and we will see how's the New Year's Eve gonna look today. Winnie's friend come. Operation of changing wheel is in progress.
So I got a little girl for me. So my friend is taking the tire to the mechanic, and then he actually came here with his little daughter. No,
not yet.
Yeah.
So with the daughter, and we are still changing the wheel.
Yeah, we are still changing the wheel. So I took the daughter to the room.
Yeah, but all will be good, yes?
Yeah.
That's how it looks, the room. Here is the bathroom. This is 4-star hotel. We paid $50 for it, and that's how it looks like. Here is our guest. Yeah, that's how it looks. I have to go to changing wheels still. Over there is the ocean view. This is more likely city hotel actually. So the current situation is that Sweeney is working. We have a wee friend here watching TV, and the Winnie friend go to the garage buy the new tire because we have problem with the spare one. We cannot take it off from the car, and it's New Year Eve, so it's quite difficult to find any mechanic who will come. And also, so I have to buy the new tire. So he go with his bike and gonna bring the new wheel. I mean the old wheel with the new tire. So situation is under the control. Big thumb up.
So we have a burger. So this burger and cola costs you 50k. So look at Damian. That's heaven for Damian. So yummy.
Alright, it's the time for having coffee at the top.
And also on the top floor and the 5th floor.
So that's how it looks, the rooftop situation.
The pool in the rooftop actually. So we are planning to have a swim
New Year's Eve swim.
Yeah.
Actually, it's quiet
This is
here.
the last day in 2020, so yeah, we would like to say Happy New Year for those of you from all over the world watching us. So now we are in Canggu.
I hope so. The new year will be better than this one.
Yeah, because
And
not many people are here swimming, so yes, let's have a
we
swim.
will have a swim, and later we will go into the beach area over there or somewhere there. We will see how's the situation.
Yeah,
However,
so we can see Canggu Beach from here, actually from the rooftop. So many people are surfing.
yeah. Okay, so
Alright,
it's
so-
New Year's Eve, 6 o'clock, and unfortunately not much is happening in this year in Bali because
Yeah, almost all of beach bars in Canggu are closed.
mostly the party places are closed.
Like Old Man's is closed.
Hopefully some warungs are on the beach open so we can have a binjang or something at least, but definitely no party, no fireworks, nothing spectacular in this year. I'm so sorry. That's how it is.
Alright, so maybe most of you asking like, there are many hotels in Canggu, and then we decided to stay in Aston. So why? Because it's very close with Old Man's, the lawn,
To
the
the
famous,
beach.
yeah, to the beach. Just walking 1 minute and we arrive, and then yeah.
And especially when everything is closed around, I mean like a club still on the beach and the warungs is open. It's actually the good place to stay, especially it's very affordable price. Like I said before, so
This
why
is not
not?
paid endorsement, so
Not paid
Damian paid
endorsement.
around 650, yeah?
670k,
Oh,
like
70K.
less than 50 US.
So,
It's still okay, especially as this is the New Year's Eve, so it's not like cheap like before, obviously, right? Everywhere around the world, and that's how it looks the situation here on the beach. Okay, we are just after last sunset in this year.
Oh,
Tomorrow
wow.
will be another one anyway, but in this year is the last one. As you can see, some people just enjoy chilling on the beach. This is actually what you can do in this year on New Year's Eve.
unfortunately, there will be no fireworks on the beach or
No fireworks.
any other places in Bali. So people just go to the beach just to watch the final sunset or the last sunset in 2020.
Having few cokes, few drinks, few beers.
And even like, yeah, all the bars on the beach, they have to be closed at 11 because that's the rule from the government that they have to be closed at 11. So yeah, we decided to have a dinner in the hotel actually.
Yeah, actually in the hotel is quite nice, a rooftop restaurant. Quite cheap actually, by the way. I would say actually really cheap to compare to the local prices in this area, so why not? By the way, this is the lobby hotel. It's actually quiet. Very nice and very quiet, but it's really nice. It's 4-star hotel, but it's very nice. For that money, it's very recommended place in Canggu area. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
And don't forget, this is not paid endorsement. This is just pure recommendation.
So we would like to say Happy New Year once again, guys. For those of you who have been watching us just around 6 or 7 months.
7 months in June.
Thank you.
January 7 will be 7 months.
2020. And then we hope that in 2021 we will be much better and better. And we hope you guys also have a very nice year in 2021. And hope all is back to normal.
Hopefully.
Happy New Year from Bali. Happy New Year.
Alright, so we are outside the hotel and there is the police. So I think no chance to go to the beach, yeah?
Oh, that's our New Year's Eve from the top of the level. What is it? The hotel actually.
Aston Canggu.
Yeah.
We are on the rooftop. We can see from here actually all around Bali.
Wow.
Nobody's here. Also, it's no light here, so we make little bit light on using our phones.
All right. So I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching us and
Like
see you
always,
tomorrow.
see you tomorrow.
Bye.
See you. Take care. Alright, Winnie is already sleeping, nothing is happening, definitely no party in this year. Happy New Year anyway.